Hello everyone. So in the previous video we learned about the anatomy of CSS, right? Then we talked about the props, the values, the selectors, and everything. And we looked at how website looks. Let's just go live here. Okay, my bad. It should be HTML. Okay, let's just close that and let's go live now. Okay, so this is what it looks like. All right. Now, in the previous video, we came up with a problem, right? So, what I wanted was to change the colors of these two texts, right? I wanted this to be in black, and I wanted this to be in uh, aqua color. But when I use the P here, so both of these would get the same color. So here the confusion arises, right? What to do now? So since till now we have talked about selectors which are just tags like H1 tag, P tag, right? But now we are going to look at more CSS selectors. Uh, let's just write CSS selectors. Let's just go. Let's just go to W3 schools. And you can see what are CSS selectors, we already know, but let's read it again. So, CSS selector basically selects the HTML element you understand. Right. Now, there are different type of CSS selectors. Okay. We can divide the CSS selectors into 5 categories. So there are simple selectors, then there are combinators, pseudo-class, pseudo-elements, and attributes. Okay. So if you go to combinator selectors, you can see a combinator is something that explains the relationship between the selectors. So this would be, I guess, little too much for you. Okay. So right now we're not going to talk about the combination one. We'll talk it about in the further coming videos. But till then, let's just talk about the simple selectors. Because in the simple selectors, we have only used the tag name. Okay. So the simple CSS selectors, it contains ID and class. Okay. So ID is used by a hashtag sign and class is used by a dot. Okay, we'll talk about how we'll do that. Okay, and then there is a universal selector as well. Okay, and the group and selectors we talked about, and yeah, okay, okay, that is cool. That is cool, right? So let's just head back to our Visual Studio Code and let's learn what we just studied. So here we'll just write ID. Okay, and let's just name it aqua for now. And here we'll have a class which would be named black for now. Okay. Okay. Now here what we'll do is we'll comment this. So I hope you know what a comment is. So comment is basically a part of the code which is basically not executed or compiled. So it is understood by the compiler that this is just for the documentation purposes and we don't need to compile this. Okay, so it is used by / star, and then you can have the star again and / as well. Okay, okay, that that looks well. Okay, let's talk about the universal selector first. You open the universal selector, right? Now just save it. Okay, there is some error. there's some warning. Okay. Now here I'll simply write uh, font family. The font family is basically used for changing the font style. So let's just work with this right now. Okay, let's just save it. Okay, that was not the one. Font style, CSS, let's type that. Okay. Okay. Um, okay. We did the same thing here, but why is it not working? Let's go here, font style property. Okay, that is a different one. All right. Uh, let's just go back here. We have saved it. Let's just go here. Okay, let's just observe this. Now we'll go back here again. Rather than this, what then have simple this, right? Let's save it. Let's go back here. Nothing is happening. Uh, let's have this. Okay. Okay, it is still not changing. I'm still not sure why is that happening. Let's just go to the three schools on our own. No, this was the one. We go here. Hmm. Okay. Let's try it for ourselves. Um, we'll see that there are different ones. Why are we not having that thing? No, we have done the same thing, right? Okay, let's just try to do one thing. Let's just copy it from here. Let's just paste it here. Okay, still not working. Let's just go to selector back again. You can see that universal selector is like this only. Okay, let's just do one thing. Let's just try to put the color here for now. And let's just say not black. Let's say blue. Let's save it. Let's just go here. So if I remove this part from here, let's go. Okay, I'm pretty sure this thing is working. Okay, let's put the color back here as red. Font family. Let's just drag the font family thing again. Or let's just say for italic right now. Okay, I just don't want too much. You can see that italics. You can check the font family thing on your own system. Maybe my system is lacking on something. Uh, we'll see what it is. Alright. So okay, but never mind. We're talking about things. So let's have one thing here. Uh, let's have the class which was black, right? And here we'll have the color as black. Okay, let's save it. And let's just have ID, and we'll have the color as aqua. Let's save it. Let's go here. Oh, sorry. Uh, it should be aqua, right? Aqua, right. What's the problem now? Okay, my bad. Aqua, let's save it. Okay, you can see that the paragraph with IT aqua is colored in aqua and this is in black. So both had the same paragraph tag, but IDs and classes, these are the main selectors. You can, select any uh, code, code snippet and style it accordingly. All right. So I guess the symbol selectors was all this video had. In the next video, we'll talk about the difference between class and ID. All right. So thank you for watching this video and see you later.